Hello everyone, welcome to Kitchen Garden Therapy. This is Slava, and today I would like to share with you a new toy I received for my garden. Well, actually, it's not a toy, it's a new raised bed with trellis from Vevor. Thank you so much, Vevor, for sending me this beautiful raised bed. It looks very nicely packaged. All the parts are wrapped, all the tools. They sent me everything required for the assembly of this raised bed. So there is a screwdriver. There are even miniature planting tools that you might need to use. Everything is neatly packaged and all of the parts look well made. So I am satisfied with the quality of this product even without assembling it first. The instructions are really clear, easy to follow. So let me put this together. I love the color of the wood. It's a nice tint of brown, will match perfectly in my garden. Also, this raised bed comes with wheels, which is super nice because once you fill it up with pots and soil, it will be hard to move around. So wheels are helpful. Beautiful raised bed fits just right in my garden. I already placed some of my vegetables and flowers in here. As you can see, you can hang pots on the trellis. I have peas right now in here because it's still an early spring and the weather is questionable, so I can't have cucumbers and other vining plants in here yet. So for now, I'm going to have peas hanging in a pot on this Vevor raised bed. And then later in the season, I am planning to grow some cucumbers on this trellis. Also, you can train your tomatoes. You can basically attach the tomato stem to the trellis and they'll happily grow in there. So it's a beautiful raised bed that you can put together in a matter of like 10-15 minutes, and it has nice size, nice dimensions. I would highly recommend for anyone who's looking to add some additional pots or containers for the garden. This is basically a large container that you can place anywhere, especially on walkways or by the door. It's a great gift. So if you want to surprise your loved ones for Easter, for example, or for Mother's Day, you can place an order now. So I will share with you the link down below in the description box for you to take a look. You can order it from the site vevor.com, and the price is just $99.99, so basically $100. And if you want to order two, then the price will be even cheaper. So for two, it will be $169.99. So $30 discount you will get if you want to get two of these raised beds. And I think it's an amazing deal. So if you want to have a raised bed just like this, please go to the description box below and order yours now. Thank you for watching and have a good day.